Today I'm going to teach you how to find keywords for Google Ads. Let's jump straight into it. I'm going to teach you how to find profitable keywords to target for your Google Ads campaigns. So to do that, we're in Google Ads campaigns here. You can simply sign in, create your account. Once you're here, you can go to Tools and Settings and go to Keyword Planner. You can either search Keyword Planner in Google to find it, or you can just use Google's interface. So now, once Keyword Planner loads, we can start discovering new keywords in the top left like it suggests. So let's pretend like we're a photographer. So we might put photography in this box here, and this is like our discover new keywords section. And this is going to generate some keywords for us. So we press get results, and here we go. So now before we go any further, you can see up here on the left, on the top left, we've got where we're searching. So we're searching in the whole of Australia for people in the language of English using the Google network for the last 12 months. We can edit these. So maybe we might want to refine our results to South Australia, where I'm from. I know everyone's laughing at home at me. Oh well. And then we can get rid of Australia by clicking that and then go save. So now all our results will change. So now we can see the results for photography in South Australia on the Google network. And we can see some information across here. We can see monthly searches, the competition. Competition refers to how many ads are being run for these keywords. Top of page bid, low range. So I'll explain what this means. If I put in photographer, so the top of page bid refers to how much it will cost to get up here at the top of page ad. And this is the low range, so the cheapest cost, and then the high range refers to the most expensive cost. So to rank for the word photography, the low range is $1.72 and the high range is $2.79. Both of those are quite reasonable considering some costs are quite higher, like down here. Portrait photography, the high range is $4.70 and the low range $1.60. So that's what those two mean. And we can scroll down here and see all the options that it gives us. So we can then also add filters to find what we want. So for this example, I'm just actually going to make it back to Australia so I can have more results. Here we go, save again. I got more results now. But I'm going to add some filters. So I'm going to add the filter of competition. I don't want to be competing with keywords that have high competition, so I might just stick with low and medium. I'll click both of those and press apply. In the same way, I'm going to add another filter, and I'm going to look at top of page bids in the high range, and I'm going to kind of put in my maximum bid here. So we're going to select smaller than or equals to. So we're going to select our maximum bid that we want to pay per click is maybe $5. And that means that we're prepared to pay $5 for a click, which is alright if we get some work from it. So we'll click apply, and now we'll look at these results. So here are some words that we could target. Portrait photography, low competition, and the top of page bid is under $5. Landscape photography, family photos, black and white photography. We can scroll down here and have a look all the way down here, as Google gives us lots of information. And you can still see that all these searches are getting 1,000 to 10,000 views per month, which is quite popular. So there's lots of keywords to choose from here. I hope this helps you guys find some profitable keywords, because this is actually how I do it. And you might decide you want to pay less money, and you can edit this, and we've got $3, and then here we go, we've got less options now. But this is a really good way to find non-expensive keywords to put into your ad campaigns so that your ad campaigns don't cost too much money. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please like and subscribe to us. It means a whole lot because I put a lot of effort into these videos. Hope you've had a great day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.